This is a 1992 Mustang LX convertible. This is a really dark green color, and it is very similar, if not an example of a 7-Up car. There were 4,103 of these convertibles made in the 1990 model year. They were to be given away as prizes in the NCAA, but it never happened. So rather than scrap them, they sold them. Now, you look at this sticker and it clearly says 1992, but from what I gather, these convertibles were only produced in 1990. So I don't know what the story is. I looked at this color, and this color was an official color in 1990, but not in 91 or 92. So I have a feeling that this was leftover, one of the leftover 4,103 models. Some were automatic, some were manual, and sold as the dealers had the opportunity to sell them. And possibly the year of manufacture was changed to reflect when they were sold. So it's a strange being. The wheels are not right for they were turbine wheels on the 7-Up cars. Otherwise, the white upholstery and the dark green color is correct. So, I don't know. I gather maybe somebody can inform us. I'll leave a link to the 7-Up cars for more information. It's one of those publicity deals that didn't go as planned. Very nice car. It's a 5-liter engine and automatic transmission.